So hello guys, and welcome to this video. Today is a video, obviously it's crypto related because all my videos recently have been crypto related, but this is just a overview of what cryptos I'm holding, and there is one new crypto I am holding. I'll get to that shortly. However, is it the next 100 times coin? We will see shortly after this. So if you guys are new, make sure to hit that subscribe button and also leave a like, because it does mean the absolute world. Let me know what cryptos you are holding down below, because it's interesting to find out, and let me know if you're holding any of the same cryptos I've got. So I am obviously holding Safemoon and Orphano, and a lot of you guys know I've done videos on it already. However, there's a new crypto that I'm holding. Yes, hands up, I was gifted this crypto to do a honest 100% transparent review on this crypto. So today I'm going to be talking about the crypto. I'm obviously holding Safemoon still. Safemoon I'm holding over, let's go to my MetaMask account. I am holding 566 million Safemoon. The previous few days there has been a huge dip. I have to admit there has been a huge dip and it hasn't been too nice to digest. However, is there an upward rise? We do not know. Obviously there's already been two different all-time highs where it spikes, then goes down 30%, then spikes, goes down 30%. But this was quite a big drop. Who knows, is there room to maneuver upwards? We will find out probably in the next few days / weeks. But I was worried because it did hit around about 100 to almost 200, and that's when I was thinking of cashing out. But I know I'm a diamond hand holder and I'm not going to cash out so easily. So I'm going to hold. I hope you guys are still holding as well. But Safemoon isn't going nowhere from my portfolio. I'm just going to hold, let the coins rack up in my account, and yeah, and that's one thing I like about these three cryptos I'm holding, because the stake will keep going up and up and up the longer I hold them. The next one is obviously Orphano. I did a video on that recently. It hasn't been doing too good. There was a little bit of a dip. However, I'm still holding. Nothing's happening. It's currently obviously the charity coin, which gives 2% back to charity, 2% redistribution, and 2% auto liquidity. And I'm holding because obviously charity, I'm doing my good thing for the community. It's slowly going up. If I go into BS scan, it's slowly going up. There's over 21,000, almost 22,000 addresses just holding this crypto. So that's pretty good. 62,000 transfers. That's not too many. That's only 3 times. However, the total supply is obviously showing at 1,000 trillion, which is the only downside. So it's going to take a while to burn. So the other crypto that I have been approached by, and yes, I am now holding a stake in this. I was gifted this, hands up. I'm holding 272,000 of Mars Mission. And Mars Mission, a lot of you guys probably haven't heard of this crypto, but it is an upcoming crypto. This is the Twitter. They have quite a good following already. Yesterday that was on 4,000, so they are getting followers daily. A lot of other YouTubers trying to get it out there. So I'm going to do my honest review. This is the Mars Mission token, and currently the Mars Mission token is sitting at 0.0011, so 2 zeros before it hits 1p. The max it did ever hit was 30, so 0030. That's 3 times what it was today. The market cap of this coin is only 1 million, so it's fairly small and there's room to move. So if I go onto the website, we'll find out everything about this website. So this looks very much like the Safemoon. It does look very much, you'll see the 3 little things that they do. So it's community driven and fairly launched on PancakeSwap. All initial liquidity was provided by the team and locked via a percentage of every trade of PancakeSwap gets locked into the liquid pool forever. And this provides the token with an increasing price floor. So 4% is the goal. So with Safemoon, obviously you have 10%, so you have 5% for the holders and 5% locked away. With this crypto, it's very, very similar. So I think it's an 8% tax. 4% gets locked away, so the supply will keep going down. And on the other side, 4% gets redistributed to other holders, and that's very similar to my Orphano and Safemoon, where if the longer I hold, the more I'm going to get. However, the difference between Mars Mission and other ones is their supply. Their supply is different to most, because if I go onto their BS scan, their supply is just 1 billion. Like that's the thing, it's only 1 billion, so there actually isn't too much available. And if more and more keeps getting burnt, if more and more transfers get done, there'll be less supply. And once officially 1 billion is not anymore, it's only like a few 100 million, obviously the price will go up. So who knows what happens with this crypto, but because of the small supply, this is why I'm liking it. I like my punts, I like my gambles, and I'm a bit bullish on this crypto, so I'm definitely going to hold. But the roadmap is the launch phase, which I think they have done. Yes, they have. They've been on PancakeSwap. They've got their Telegram, Twitter. I'll show you their Telegram. They've obviously got their own Reddit, so if you want to use Reddit, I don't use Reddit all the time, but they have 93 members just on Reddit. I'll go over to their Telegram. It's a very, very active community. There's over 4,739 members. Bearing in mind, this crypto's only been out for a week or two, so it is fairly new. They are on CoinMarketCap, so they have already gone through that phase. However, they're trying to get listed on other exchanges. So if I go to their website once again, at the moment they're trying to work out an awareness campaign, so they're trying to message YouTubers and other people to share this. So that's why I am doing my honest review, because that's all I do on my channel. I don't like faking things, and I want you guys to make money the way I'm making money. So last thing they really want to do is have partnerships with other basically crypto exchanges, and yeah, so this looks very good. It depends how much people do find out about this crypto, but if their Twitter keeps popping, and obviously a lot of the other YouTubers and influencers are sharing this about, there could be a way of making money with this crypto. So I'm definitely going to hold, because I want to see how high it does go. I did buy around about 80 and now it's up 110, so a good like 30% up, possibly maybe a bit more than that. So I do think there is still room to maneuver. Hopefully it still goes up, but obviously the whole crypto market has had a downfall, so I do kind of think this could go up, but who knows? Like I say, nothing is ever guaranteed, but I am very bullish about this, only because the supply is the bit that's making me feel good. The supply only having 1 billion means that there's actually not too much to have, so the more you have, the less people will have as well. So hopefully the price does increase. If you guys want to buy, this is very similar to obviously the early days of Safemoon and Orphano. Go straight to trade volume 2, press I understand. So I'm going to have 0.009, and there you go. I will get 3,310. Change the slippage to 11%, because that's the way they obviously say. Swap anyway, and press swap anyway, and that should go ahead. You just press confirm, and then that's when you buy it. Obviously I can't afford it with the gas fee at the moment, but that's how you buy it. It's fairly easy, fairly similar to the others. Just have your money on a MetaMask account or a Trust wallet and just do it through that. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This was just a video reviewing my 3 cryptos and where I think they will be. Safemoon, I feel like it can easily hit another back into the hundreds, so hopefully another 0 gets knocked off. And Orphano, it's going to be a long time for this. However, I do feel like I can get back round about to here. So who knows what happens, but let me know guys what you think these cryptos will do. And with my Mars mission, I can see it definitely hitting around about 15 again, maybe even to 20, more than likely. So that is just my honest review. I'm not a financial advisor, so please don't listen to me and do everything I say. Please buy at your own risk. It is you who's putting the trade on. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. All links in the description for buy Mars mission or any other cryptos. And yeah, peace out people. See ya. Bye.